In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change brightness and contrast in Excel. If you've ever pasted a picture into a spreadsheet and it looked a bit too dark, too light, or just flat, Excel has built-in tools to fix that quickly. We'll walk through importing a picture, opening the correction tools, and fine-tuning brightness and contrast so your image looks crisp and readable alongside your data. Start in your workbook with the sheet where you want the image. Go to the ribbon at the top and click Insert. The Insert tab is where you add all kinds of content, charts, shapes, and, yes, pictures, so it's the right place to begin. Next, choose Pictures from the Insert tab to bring an image into your sheet. Pick a file from your computer or another source, and once it appears on the worksheet, click the picture itself to select it. You'll know it's selected when you see sizing handles around the image. When an image is selected, Excel shows the Picture Format tab on the ribbon, which gives you all the editing tools you'll need. With the picture selected, click Corrections on the Picture Format tab. The Corrections gallery shows quick visual presets that adjust sharpness, brightness, and contrast. Hovering over a preset previews the result on your image, which is a great way to get a fast improvement without guessing. For more precise control, choose Picture Corrections options at the bottom of that gallery. This opens the Format Picture pane on the right side of Excel, focused on picture corrections. Here you'll see sliders and numeric boxes that let you dial in exactly the look you want. Now adjust brightness and contrast. Brightness makes the entire image lighter or darker. Increasing it can help a dim photo stand out, while decreasing it can recover detail in an overexposed image. Contrast controls the difference between light and dark areas. Raising it adds punch and definition, while lowering it creates a softer, flatter look. Make small changes, pause, and look at the image against your grid and text. If the picture starts to look washed out, reduce brightness or contrast a bit. If details look harsh or clipped, pull contrast back. You can type exact values if you prefer repeatable settings, or use the sliders for quick experimentation. When you're happy with the result, click away from the pane and continue working. That's it. Your picture is now clearer, more balanced, and ready to complement your data. Save your workbook to keep the changes,